Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Dominator. We'll dive into their fundamental differences, examining how each tool approaches data management and analysis. Excel, a familiar spreadsheet application, offers robust features for everyday tasks. Dominator, on the other hand, provides specialized capabilities for more intricate data challenges. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which platform best suits various analytical requirements. When it comes to core functionalities, Excel is a powerhouse for general spreadsheet tasks. It's perfect for organizing lists, performing calculations, and creating simple charts. Dominator, however, steps into the realm of big data. It provides sophisticated tools for data warehousing, machine learning algorithms, and dynamic reporting, making it ideal for enterprise-level data science projects. Performance and scalability are critical differentiators. Excel can become sluggish when dealing with hundreds of thousands of rows, often requiring significant processing time for complex formulas. Dominator is engineered for high performance, capable of processing billions of data points in seconds. Its distributed architecture ensures seamless operation across vast datasets, supporting hundreds of concurrent users without performance bottlenecks. So, when should you use each tool? Excel is your go-to for everyday tasks like managing personal finances, creating simple inventories, or performing quick ad hoc analyses. It's accessible and versatile for many users. Dominator shines in scenarios demanding deep insights from complex, multi-source data. Think about predictive modeling, real-time dashboards, or comprehensive business intelligence solutions. Each tool serves a distinct, valuable purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.